Are you looking for a potential airdrop project to earn free tokens without any investment? Nebulai is the perfect opportunity for you. A decentralized computing network powered by artificial intelligence, currently gaining strong attention from the community. Right now, the project is running a test token mining program called the Liftoff program. All users need to do is open a browser, connect their wallet, and enable the node running feature. After that, your computer will begin executing computation loops, allowing you to accumulate NEB tokens automatically. No complex setup, no need for powerful hardware. Just open a browser tab and let your device run in the background. You can earn NEB anytime, anywhere. Additionally, users can complete simple tasks like joining the community, following social media, or inviting friends to earn extra rewards. All NEB points accumulated during this phase will be converted when the official token is launched. If you're looking for a serious project that's easy to join and has strong growth potential, now is the perfect time to get started. Nebulai, where AI and blockchain converge to create an entirely new computing ecosystem. First, you need to connect your crypto wallet to get started. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select the wallet you're using, such as MetaMask or any wallet that supports EVM networks. Approve the connection, and once your wallet address appears, you're all set. After successfully connecting your wallet, the next step is to link your email to your account. This is an important step to ensure the system records your user information properly and can notify you about future airdrop rewards. On the main interface, go to the Profile or Account Settings section. There, you'll find a field to enter your email address. Enter the email you currently use, then click the confirmation button. A verification code will be sent to your inbox. Open the email, copy the code, and return to the website to paste it into the confirmation box. Click Submit, and you'll see a message confirming that your email has been successfully linked. From now on, all activities related to rewards, tasks, and tokens will be updated directly via your email. It's convenient and also improves the security of your account. To get your referral link, click the Invite button on the main interface. Then click Copy to copy your personal referral link. After connecting your wallet and linking your email, it's time to start mining NEB. On the main interface, you'll see a blue toggle switch. That's the node activation button. Click the button to start. Once the node is activated, the system will use a small portion of your computer's resources to perform computation loops, allowing you to automatically accumulate NEB. Each node session runs continuously for 24 hours. After that, you'll need to return to the site and toggle it back on to continue mining. So don't forget to check in daily to keep your rewards flowing without interruption. Thank you for watching the video until the end. In today's video, I provided a detailed guide on how to join the Nebulai Airdrop. From connecting your wallet, activating the node, linking your email, to inviting friends to maximize your rewards. I hope you now have a clear understanding and can start earning tokens easily and completely for free. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to like the video, subscribe to the SQ channel on YouTube, and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any future tutorials, airdrop updates, or new earning opportunities. Also, I have a dedicated Telegram community, SQ channel, where I share the earliest updates on airdrop campaigns, claim tasks, retroactive opportunities, and tips to boost your winning chances. Feel free to join so you won't miss out on any promising opportunities. Once again, thank you for watching, wishing you lots of valuable token rewards, and see you in the next video.